This pipe cutter can be very useful for everyone at home. To use it, I'll show you how to remove the safety and put it back in place. And while I was discussing it with my wife, I realized that you could also put it on the back here as I'm showing you. Very good. So now, it's time to open it up and show you how it works. To start using it, you need to apply pressure here, as I'm showing you, very gently until the blade almost reaches the end. Then, in order to open it back up again, you need to carefully apply the same amount of pressure, but this time on the other side, specifically only on one side of the handles, just as you did before, but in reverse. Just like I'm showing you here, exactly this one. Alright, now let's see together how it actually works on the pipe. Please note that this pipe here measures exactly 25 millimeters in diameter. To start using it, you need to apply exactly the same type of pressure I showed you earlier, and it will then start cutting the plastic as I'm showing you here, right before your eyes. A simple way to cut your pipe is to get a perfect cut, as you can see here. Here, I will also use a pipe with a diameter of 4 centimeters. And as you can see, this one is a bit more resistant, but the pipe cutter can still cut it. To use it, I really recommend going very slowly because these pipes are a bit sturdier than the others. Then you can use any connector you want. As you can see, the edge of your pipe will be clean and easy to use.